Is it ready? Can we have some now? Hey, why are you covering it? Let's have some.
Et voilà.
La bonne salade de choux.
Cooked cabbage. Oh, that is so nice. Nicely cooked. It's like buttery almost.
Wow, this is nice. The way that it's done, it's like velvety, buttery, into spice. This is really good. It's really well done.
Could someone tell me what is into spice?
It could go well with anything. This is the best side dish ever.
But could someone explain it to me?
The other thing that people do with cabbage is sauerkraut. Sauerkraut and coleslaw. Why can't they think of this? You should be watching Gladys' video in order to get good ideas like this one. This is my kind of happy meal. Eat this, and you can be happy too.
Go get your tickets and let's get this party started!